Find your next car at Matrix Autoworks in Nashua. This used, but like new 2021 Mazda CX-5 Grand Touring, Blue Beauty ready for your next adventure, is available at Matrix Autoworks dealership located on 321 Main Street in Nashua, New Hampshire. Open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., closed on Saturday and Sunday. Turn heads and conquer any terrain. This gleaming blue 2021 Mazda CX-5 Grand Touring. This all-wheel drive keeps you confident, winter or summer. Low miles, high style is what this vehicle is, and with only 728 miles, this beauty has plenty of life left. The sleek black interior is immaculate, smoke-free, pet-free, and loaded with options you crave. Worry-free adventures with a recent inspection to ensure all is well. Ensure smooth sailing for many years to come. Always maintained with timely oil changes. Peace of mind with a clean title and inspection. Don't miss your chance to own this reliable, comfortable, and performant SUV at a fantastic price of $25,900. You can call Matrix Autoworks dealership at 603-288-1108. Do it now before it's gone.